Hello, I'm Alisha Navlani, a primary block teacher at Choithram School. Every day with my little learners reminds me that joy is the heartbeat of true learning. Real joy of learning, the Choithram way. Ma'am, can I try this one more time? This one question from a student always fills my heart with pride. It tells me that the students are learning not because they have to, but because they want to. That's the magic of activity based learning. It turns classrooms into playgrounds of curiosity. Over the years at Choithram, I have seen this approach breathe life into our grade 1 and 2 lessons. When my little learners count real apples instead of pictures or measure their pencils using paper clips, I see math turning into a game they love. The classroom fills with laughter and learning happens almost effortlessly. Another time, during a grade 2 English lesson on adjectives, one of my students described her school bag as a happy bag because it carries my colors and stories. I remember smiling to myself. In those few words, she showed creativity, understanding, and an emotional connection with what she was learning. Storytelling corners, science experiments, art integration, and circle time activities, each one designed to spark curiosity and true love for learning. Our Choithram education policy believes that the purpose of education goes beyond academics. It's about nurturing creative thinkers, empathetic individuals, and responsible citizens. I'm a facilitator of discovery. I often find myself learning alongside my students, laughing with them when something goes unimaginable, marveling with them when they learn faster than expected, or simply listening when they share their imaginative explanations for how the world works. In those moments, I realize that education is not about filling notebooks, it's about filling hearts and minds with wonder. Activity based learning brings that wonder alive. It transforms the what and how of learning into wow moments. And when children experience that joy, they don't just learn, they grow, they create, and they remember. Learning at Choithram is more than just pages or space. It's a living, breathing joy we feel in every space.